everybody, so the stuff right here behind me, I'm going to get powder coated at MPA Motorsports and Off-Road today. So once I get to the facility, I'll film some of the powder process, some of the sandblasting, and the final product for you guys. Stay tuned. So I already have one of the valve covers already packaged up and everything, but the valve covers, they're going to go illusion violet. Turbo's going to go illusion violet. Same thing with the pulleys. Everything else is going to go wrinkle black. I think that should look pretty good in the engine bay. Alright guys, so I have everything loaded up here in the truck. Headed out to the facility now. Alright guys, so we made it to MPA Motorsports. Time to go inside, check out this facility, check out some of their powder coating booths, and get everything going. So everything's all laid out here. Just kind of getting them an idea of what colors I want everything to be. They've already started sandblasting some of the things as well, so moving forward on that. So this is their powdering room. It's actually really big. They got a few racks in here, a few more as well outside. But this is where they lay everything and get everything going. So the first pulley's already done, it's been sandblasted. So here are their two ovens that they have here. One's a little small one here that they use for wheels and so on, individual pieces. Let's see. And then this is their full scale oven here. Can fit a lot of things in here at once. So everything's getting loaded up inside here now, so we're ready to go. All right guys, so he's opening this up for me. Super excited to see. It looks like it comes out actually in a silver. So it's because it is like a tri-color. So once we spray some clear on this, this should transition into that really nice purple. Alright guys, so now these are hot. We're going to spray these with this clear. Gives us an opportunity to see this start transitioning colors. Back in the oven they go to finish curing. Here we go. We get to see the final product here. This is after the curing process, after we cleared it. So that silver turned into a really nice purple. So this is it for the purple. Everything that has been powder coated purple, from the valve covers to the turbo to the pulleys. I'm super excited the way they turned out. They did a really good job with this. Very happy with the outcome. So it's time for the rest of the stuff. This is all gonna go wrinkle black. It should look pretty good in the engine bay to tie in that purple and the high ram intake that I have. So here we go. right, so here's the final product after it's been baked inside the oven. Once again, big shout out to the guys at MPA Motorsports. I'll drop a link to their website below, so make sure you guys check it out.